In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this error which is unable to remove. As you can see, there is an active subscription on this account. So in order to fix this problem, what you're gonna have to do is simply open any browser and then you're gonna have to simply search for Apple ID. Then simply tap on the first link and then you're gonna get redirected to the Apple ID support. So scroll down and then simply tap on visit your account page and then you're gonna have to sign in into your Apple ID account, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on this arrow next to sign out and then you're gonna see all these options. So simply tap on payment methods and then here you're gonna see your payment method, your current payment method. So simply tap on manage payment method and then you're gonna have to simply add a new one. So you're gonna have to simply enter a new one and then simply tap on update, and basically that's all you have to do in order to fix this error. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.